quickly going to show you this. In the other video that I had taken as I was leaving, the cleaning lady just finished cleaning the stairs. She was drying the stairs, obviously because of being way too much water. So she dried up the stairs and it's nice and clean. You can tell that it was wet, so she had cleaned this area as well. And this whole area was nice and scrubbed down and cleaned after the fact. After I left, so I didn't see her do it. But she had done all the way up there, because earlier this afternoon or morning, I was thinking it was raining. Come out here and there's water all over the floor here. There's like water all the way over here somewhere, right? And it just turned out that they were cleaning above on the second floor. So I realized, oh, look at that. She's cleaning really thoroughly the area around the doorways and the stone here, the gray stone. Last year, I mentioned that this area was pretty clean last year as well, but the area around Block 42, they barely did any cleaning on the, especially on the exterior. They didn't do much of anything, and most times, in fact, was the case. It was the case. This year, she was cleaning, like, this is the first time that I had noticed that she had cleaned really well out here. All this area above, all that, right? So I just wanted to finish that off with that, because I just wanted to mention that, because last year, like I said, I was annoyed with some of the way that they weren't cleaning properly, and not because of this area, but in 42 block. And so this area, you can see that they cleaned really, really well. Of course, I only showed you a little bit, but they thoroughly cleaned this area. In fact, I'll show you right now quickly. Very clean. I'll finish this off like this, and then but you can see, like I said, the water stains from where it's still drying because of little puddles and still just being wet. She did a really good job on the stairs. I showed you in the other video. Of course, it was only the beginning of what I showed you, but you can see even the stone here. You can see just due to weather, it's a little moldy there just due to weather, but I don't know how well they clean the edges of this wall, but it's just mold. It's bound to happen because it rains and rains and rains and constant rain on the steps here, all that fun stuff. Created, well, that's actually the first time I saw that mold. But yeah, it's just kind of greeny. That's about it. But other than that, it's like they do a really, really good job here on Block 44. I didn't like how they did Block 42 last year. I don't know how it is this year. But at this point, I enjoy it here more, and that's why they put me here 3 weeks ago. So until then, until the next video, that's all I want to talk about. Ciao for now.